Deepika comes on stage, I have to say this. Oh my God, Deepika, she's looking like a goddess, isn't she, Ranveer?
She is, I would agree with you.
So please, without any further ado, let's call the beautiful Deepika Padukone.
Hi. Hello, hello, hello.
बताओ बताओ कैसी लगी? हाँ, good ना?
Ranveer, actually I should say Rapchik Ram, मैंने वैसे सुना है कि लवली लीला के सामने आपकी बंदूक का ट्रिगर ही नहीं बचता.
वो क्या है ना, ये सामने आती है ना, मेरे तन बदन में फायर लग जाता है. I mean, obviously, इनकी हाइट देखो, इनके बाल, इनकी आंखें, इनके होंठ, इनका फिगर.
फिगर पे मत जा, ट्रिगर दबा दूंगी.
तो दबा ना. Sir, I love you, sir.
देखा आपने, रामलीला तो यहीं पर शुरू हो गए हैं. Well, this is your chance to know the most romantic couple of 2013. All yours, Ranveer and Deepika.
Thank you, Barka.
You can keep that. Photos first? बंदूक के साथ.
Can we have the questions for them, please?
Well, I do believe that cinema is entirely a director's medium. We're just tools that he works with to create art. And yeah, the director is the most important. He's the captain of the ship. Nobody makes films quite like Mr. Bhansali. And yeah, a little bit about my character, Ram. I remember when I was being narrated the script, in the character description, you know, you write a few words about the character. So it was, and enters Ram, raw, rugged, energetic, intense. He's basically a young, strapping lad from Gujarat. And it's my take on Romeo. And Leela, would you like to tell us a little bit about your character?
I think Leela is a little bit the female version of Ram in a sense. A very feisty, fiery sort of character, yet very, very vulnerable, but emotionally strong. And a girl who's sort of very, very sure of what she wants for herself from life and isn't scared to sort of explore the world and, you know, take on the challenges. And but most importantly, I think fun-loving and takes each day as it comes. Maybe a little bit like how I am in real life.
But I would like to touch upon a little bit what you mentioned, the effort that goes into a frame. I've done only a few movies, but none like this one. Everybody who's working on it, all their 110% energies are devoted towards setting up each frame. And if you watch the film, you'll notice that each frame looks grand, each frame looks like so much has gone into it. And, you know, when you watch it on a big screen in a dark room, that impact is, you can't put a price on it. So it's really, really a special film, and I'm only too thrilled to be a part of it.
रणवीर, एक सवाल था कि सवाल तो बंसाली से करना चाहिए था, लेकिन आपसे एक सवाल है कि ये रामलीला और रासलीला दो अलग अलग जॉनर है यहाँ इंडिया में. नौटंकी कंपनी भी है, सब कुछ है, दोनों की लीला अलग अलग है. दोनों की यहाँ खिचड़ी बनाई गई है क्या?
सर, ये एक्चुअली आपसे करना चाहते थे सवाल. मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मेरा थोड़ा बहुत थिएटर का बैकग्राउंड है, तो मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. बिकॉज यस, इट इज ऑपरेटिक, यस, इट इज लाइक थिएटर, इट इज ऑल दैट लार्जर देन लाइफ, एंड आई रियली फेल्ट एट होम in this school of performance. And I mean, yeah, she calls me a ham sandwich. But yeah, it is the unabashed pitch and tone of our film. Lots of colors, very, very vibrant, as you can see from the trailer. So I hope you like it.
Deepika here. I think you're looking gorgeous in the movie as always, and your look is really different.